Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can edit and customize your tasks in the Todoist mobile application. So let us begin. Launch the Todoist mobile application and after that navigate to the tasks you would like to edit. You can do that either through the upcoming view here in your calendar at the bottom or by navigating to today so that you may see what tasks are overdue for today. So let me go with that one here, for example, task 1-2 for tomorrow, for instance. So to edit it, simply tap into it, guys, and that's it. After that, you'll be given the opportunity to rename it, for instance, to describe it below, and so on and so forth. You can edit the priority, you can change the date by tapping into the current set date and for example, choose a different date. And it's actually very simple, guys. It works almost the same way as creating a task. So once you're ready, simply click into or tap into these three dots in the top right corner. And you may, for example, choose one of these options. You may keep editing it by tapping into edit task, or simply return to the previous menu. And that's it. Your edits will be saved automatically, guys. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.